Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a configuration of SMTP email for WordPress, just to be sure that all emails from a contact form and WordPress communication will be delivered straight to your mailbox in a second. This tutorial is for G Suite users, so everyone who is having the Google Mail in own domain. Let's begin with the WordPress. We need to install a plugin. There is a plenty of plugins for that. My favorite is Post SMTP, and I'm going to install this one, Post SMTP. Okay, that's the one. You can use it for plenty of different email operators. Just activate. The installation and the configuration is pretty easy. Simply we start in with the settings. We will start with the wizard. And we need to fill who is the email coming from. Okay, so my email is help@tomrobak.com. The name is robak.co. I will use learn with Tom Robak. Click next. It's pretty simple because it just verified that I'm using the Google. Okay, so it just says smtp gmail.com. Let's go next. Connectivity test. And it's pretty simple again. It just simply automatically tells me which server should I use, and I'm going to follow this. I'm not changing anything to custom. Simply next. And here is the tricky thing. We have a couple of options like client ID and client secret, which are missing. However, it's again easy to set everything. Simply just read the communication here. I'm going to open a new tab. This is what it asked me for. So I'm going to log into my Gmail. And we started with creating a project, sorry. We need to fill everything, probably yes, agree and continue. Okay, it says enabling API. Okay, we are going to create a new project. So let's create a new project. We'll call it, let's say, Gmail for Robak. Okay, the location, I have only one organization, which is tomrobak.com, so let's create and create a project. Let's say continue, and after a few seconds, the next screen will appear. Just need to be patient with all those Google API console because it's slow. It says enabling API, so it means it will be easy. Now, simply go to credentials. We're not doing anything here. We just simply go into client ID, configure consent screen. Okay, so we need to know the name of the product. So in my case, it will be SMTP for web or whatever. It's called for web. We don't fill anything here. Simply click save. Let's click web application. Let's call it like mail server robak.co. And now those bits we can grab from our website. So authorize JavaScript origins, copy paste, and the redirect, click copy and paste it here. Create. Okay, so Let's click the first one, copy. And the client secret, click, copy, paste it here. Next step is just to click next. Next, finish. Now we need to grant the permissions. So let's click grant permissions, log into your mail again, and allow. And that's it. All should be working there. So let's have a look. It says Postman is configured. So it's time to send a test email. Let's click test mail. I'm going to send to just my private mail. Okay, and click next. Let's see the status. Email delivered in 1 second. Finish. So let's check the email. Here is the email from the WordPress. That's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, of course, let me know.